Alrighty guys, here we go. We just finished installing the pager, Viper, alarm, remote start, security system on this 2005 GMC pickup truck here. This is the diesel. This is the pager like it shows you on here. Your doors are locked, tells you there. When your door's unlocked, it's got all kinds of other little features. I'm just gonna run down the basics with you guys. It's got remote start. Starts it up. That engine starts it for about a good 10 minutes. You can make your adjustments if you like. Let me shut it off real quick. Has the flashing lights. You can also hear the siren. Okay, it's got a siren. It's got a kill switch, has a shock sensor. I'll show you guys real quick how that shock sensor works. It's got the kill switch. So let's say somebody hits your truck, it's gonna go off. I believe it cycles about twice. That's just like a little warning chirp. Like, hey, I got an alarm. Get out of here. Okay, so it cycles once. So let's say if somebody was to come in here. I can't reach over. I can't reach over. Okay. The thing is, I just tinted the two front windows, so I can't roll them down. Let's see if somebody was to open the door. Not only one siren's gonna go off, but you're gonna have the horn go off, so now it's even louder. You can hear both of them going off. Horn and siren. Okay. That's not going to shut off until you untrigger it. This also has a little siren. It beeps. When it's going off. It also has a kill switch. It's not going to let you start it. Tells you, hey, your door's open. So that's pretty neat. Hit that unlock. Oops. Hit the unlock. Ready to go. This kind of alarm, you have to get used to kind of dealing with them because they are a little bit more sensitive than just your stock keyless entry. Okay, just wanted to share that with you guys. Pretty soon on the channel, I'm gonna start doing videos on how to do your alarm, what you need. We're gonna be doing how-to videos soon, so stay tuned for the channel, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a lot more videos to watch, and if you don't want to bring it over so that I can do these kind of deals, then I'm gonna show you step by step on how to do them, and we'll see how that works out.